How yous going? Thanks for tuning in today. What I'll be doing is replacing my gear lever. Okay, this is my old factory gear lever. As you can see, it's stripped right out, and finding a replacement for this was harder than what you think. So what I did is I did a little bit of research, and the spline on these are 11mm. So what I done is I bought this. This is off a Chinese pit bike thumpster. It's got the same spline. So I'm going to show you that you can buy these Chinese gear levers as a replacement or a temporary replacement. This only costs $30 from the local shop up around the corner. Slides straight on, perfect fit. When you put your bottom nut through, always use a little bit of Loctite so it doesn't come out. When I was at the shop, these gear levers vary from 8mm splines to 12mm splines. These gear levers are a little bit shorter, but for $20, $30, it will get you out of trouble. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really hope this helps someone out, and I would like to say a big thank you to the Fish Sandwich Show. It's a channel that's been supporting me. So if you like this video, please hit that red subscribe button, and thanks again for watching.